The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA has mentioned that localized thunderstorms will become frequent by mid-May. According to its weather specialist, this is the time that the country will gradually shift to wet season.
Kahit tag-init po tayo ngayon, pero nasa buwan na po tayo ng Mayo. So after po na mid-May, yan na po yung kumbaga parang transition period na po natin, papunta po tayo dun sa tag-ulan. So kapag ganitong buwan po talaga ng Mayo, mas dadalas na po yung mga thunderstorm po natin sa hapon at gabi. Unlike po no April na mababa po yung chance ng mga cloud formation po natin.
With frequent localized thunderstorms, it is expected that the heat index will decrease.
Di nga po magtatagal yung ganun kaalinsangan na panahon dahil nga po makakaranas po tayo ng mga pag-ulan. At kapag nakaranas po tayo ng pag-ulan, kahit papano po ay mababawasan yung init na ating nararamdaman.
PAGASA advises the public to bring umbrella or raincoat even during hot weather as rain showers are expected in afternoon or evening. Meanwhile, at around 1 p.m. recently, the Metro Manila experienced heavy rainfall. Motorcycle taxi riders were forced to take shelter beside the roads. As they did not expect the heavy rain, they failed to bring enough rain protection.
Wala po akong dalang payo kasi nag-joyride lang po ako. Since yung joyride rider po, wala po siyang kapote. Meron po siyang kapote kasi isa lang.
Nasaan niyo bang uulan?
Hindi nga sir eh. Kaya isang kapote lang dala ko eh. Yung angkas ko, walang kasama kapote. Wala, patila na lang ng ulan.
Eh di ko naman na-expect na uulan ng ganito kasi alam ko, nag-init pa eh.
Ang init-init po ng panahon kanina eh. Biglang bumagsak ako kaya ito, sumilong kami. Para hindi kami mabasa.
Nakapagdala ba kayong kapote?
Wala, hindi namin nasaan eh.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.